So friends, in today's video I am going to tell you that if you have a Panasonic inverter AC and you want to get that AC serviced, then you should get your AC serviced with a jet pump. By getting serviced with a jet pump, your AC will run very well. Will start working. If you are a technician, then this video is very helpful for you, and if you are a customer, then you should also get your car serviced by jet pump. So let's start the video. Before doing AC service, turn on the AC and check thoroughly whether it is cooling or not. If your AC is cooling, then turn off the main switch of your AC and now start opening the AC. First of all, open the front cover of the indoor unit and take out the filter net. Now gently lift the swing flap up and open the plastic lock and screw at the bottom. Now lift the cover from bottom to top and take it out. Now you can see the dust accumulated in the cooling coil, how dirty the AC is. Now you can also see the coil behind the cooling coil. There is a lot of dust accumulated in it too. Now we will unscrew the drain assembly of the indoor unit and take it out. Now open the swing motor and drain pipe of the drain assembly and take out the drain assembly. Now wrap the power circuit board of the indoor unit well with the help of polythene so that water splashes do not enter the power circuit board. Keep in mind that the polythene should be firmly fixed on the power circuit board and motor so that water does not get into the power circuit board and fan motor. If water gets into the fan motor and power circuit, both these parts can get damaged. After installing the polythene on the power circuit board, now fix the washing cover on the indoor unit properly. Now start cleaning the blower with the help of jet pump. You can see that there is a lot of garbage and dust in the blower. It is very important to clean it with pressure. Without pressure, the blower cannot be cleaned properly. If you clean the blower, then you can rest assured that the flow of your AC will become completely new and your AC will start cooling the room quickly. Once the blower is thoroughly cleaned, then start cleaning the cooling coil. You should note that the pressure of the jet pump is very high. Excessive pressure can damage the cooling coil, so reduce the pressure a little and clean it. In AC, the air throw is less and the air comes less and there is sound of air cutting. Then you clean the AC in this way. Believe me, your AC will work like new and the electricity bill will also reduce a lot. The air throw will also be quite low. The waste will increase. The waste is stuck deep inside. This waste will come out due to the pressure of the jet pump. Do not work in haste, do it slowly. Only when you are satisfied that the cooling coil has been cleaned, then you can wash other parts. The cooling coil is a very important part for the indoor unit, so keep cleaning it until all the waste is removed. Now clean the drain pipe with the pressure of the jet pump. Now after the indoor unit is washed, put a chain on the washing cover and let the water drain for 15 minutes. Now you can see the dirty water coming out of indoor unit. Now clean all the parts of the indoor unit with the pressure of the jet pump. After washing all the items, leave the item for some time till the water comes out, or dry it with the help of a blower. After that, wipe it thoroughly with a dry cotton cloth. Now take out the washing cover of the indoor unit. Now take out the polythene covered in PCB. Indoor, wipe the unit thoroughly with a dry cloth. Now install the swing motor and drain pipe in the drain assembly and fit the drain assembly into the indoor unit. After cleaning, the cooling coil looks like new. Now fit the cover of the indoor unit back on. Now put the screw and lock of the cover. Now put the filter net back as well. Now put the front cover on as well. Now the indoor unit is completely clean. Now we will clean the outdoor unit. You can see that there is a lot of dust accumulated outside. Clean the outdoor unit of the AC with jet pump pressure. Keep in mind that reduce the pressure of the jet pump a little. Too much pressure can damage the condenser coil. If you clean the outdoor unit with jet pressure, your AC will start working very well. Clean the outdoor unit with jet pressure with some caution because the PCB board is attached to the outdoor unit. Due to water, the PCB may get damaged. While cleaning the outdoor unit from the front, make sure that the fan motor is installed in the front. Take care that water does not get into the fan motor. By cleaning the outdoor unit, your AC will start working like a new AC. I hope you have understood the information given by me. Then please like my video.